And we're back. This is the one. This is the pack of all the packs. It's gonna give us this right here. These guys. It's gonna do it. Because if not, well, I'll say bad words and I'll never open Pokemon ever again. You hear that, Pokemon cards? I'll never open you again. Reverse psychology. Might work. If this works, I'm gonna get this patented and trademarked. Anyways, yeah, I'm not gonna open you anymore, so you better give me a hit or else. I'm not playing. I don't play. I really don't play this game. I just collect the cards. Look at this stupid monkey. Ratata. My friend says rat-a-tat that way. Ratata. Nidoqueen. Ampharos. Ethan's Typhlosion. That's actually pretty cool. I don't think it's worth anything, but I like that one. Son of a... Okay. Okay, one more. Crap. That's it? What is that? Get the shell. What is that? What the flip? These are cooler than this. What is that thing? That looks like a mosquito. Oh man.